Today, we're excited to introduce the MacSports heavy-duty collapsible folding all-terrain utility beach wagon cart in a striking blue and black design. This versatile wagon boasts a roomy interior with a large capacity, opening to approximately 31.8 inches long, 21.5 inches wide, and 17 inches high, and it sets up in seconds with no assembly required. When not in use, it conveniently folds down to just 9.7 inches thick and comes with a carry case for easy storage. Weighing only 23.1 pounds, this wagon features a heavy-duty frame that can handle loads up to 150 pounds, while the durable 600D fabric ensures easy cleaning. The adjustable handle makes transport effortless, and two mesh cup holders keep your beverages secure, all wrapped in an attractive blue fabric with a white frame featuring the Beachcomber McWagon logo. Perfect for hauling gear to the beach, outdoor sporting events, concerts, picnics, or even around the house. Its extra-large wheels make it a breeze to navigate any terrain. Please note, however, that this wagon is not designed for transporting children, but it excels at making your outdoor adventures more enjoyable and hassle-free. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.